Hi, well, welcome back to another video. We got a northbound grain train, or sand train. He's right down there. So these crossings will be going off soon. So I'm gonna step back, because I'm not gonna get ran over today. Can't move that. Yeah, these crossings should be going. Oh yeah, that's him right there. Those are the headlights. Alright, Tony. These crossings should be going. There we go. Alright, let's see what this train has. I'm getting an interview.
I'm a filmer.
Alright, well, that's all.